Dear students, greetings. This is Dr. T. Sindhilmurugan, Associate Professor and Head, Department of IT, Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Science, Warangal. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about operators in C, especially increment decrement operators in C language. What is increment and decrement operator? How the increment and decrement operator is working in the C program. We will see that. So this is week 2, lecture 1. Classroom discussion topic 4. Okay, fourth topic we are going to discuss. In fourth topic, increment and decrement operators in C programming. This is the lecture outcome. After completion of this lecture, students will be able to develop the C program using increment and decrement operators. Because we are going to discuss about increment and decrement operator in this video lecture. So increment operator, first we will discuss about increment, then we will discuss about decrement operator. What is increment operator? Increment operator is used to increment the value of the variable in expression. Okay. Increment the value of the variable in the expression. So already we discussed what is expression, what is arithmetic expression, what is integer arithmetic operations and all. So this increment operator will increment the value of the variable in the programming in expression. There is two type of increment is there. Okay, so one is pre-increment, another one is post-increment. Okay, so what is pre-increment? The value is first incremented, then the used inside the expression. Okay, so pre-increment means first increment the value, then we have to evaluate the expression. Okay, so example, x equal to plus a is there means it is pre-increment. So what it will do? It will increment the a value, then it will be assigned to x. Okay, so this is pre-increment. What is the post-increment? Post-increment means the value is first used, whatever value is there that will be used, then it will be incremented. Okay, then it will be incremented. So example, x equal to a plus plus. So example, what it will be happen? A value it will take and it will be assigned. Then after this line, a value will be incremented. Okay. So a plus plus means what is the indirect meaning is a equal to a plus 1. Okay. So plus a also same thing, but how it is incremented? That is based on that we are saying that is pre-increment and post-increment. So see here, pre-increment means prefix. Prefix means operator should be before the variable. Okay. Post-increment means the variable, the operator should be after the variable. So this is post-increment. So here m is the variable. So how we can say this? We can increment the operator in C to increment the given value of the variable by 1. So example, a equal to 1, b equal to 1 is there. So how we can write that increment value? So I already told increment the value of the variable, not increment the value. Okay. So if I given variable plus a means a value will be incremented. Plus 5 means it is wrong. Okay, it is not variable. This is the value. So this is valid. This is invalid. Okay. So here you see here, this is one operand should be used for increment operator. So the expression will be there, no? If performing this expression, it is not correct. Okay, so it is invalid increment operator. So now we are going to discuss about decrement operator. What is the decrement operator? Same like that, decrement the value by 1. So decrement the value of the variable in the expression. So example, minus a. Okay, what it will do? So this means a equal to a minus 1. Okay, so this is the indirect meaning. So then we can write like this. So there is again two type is there. pre-decrement, post-decrement. So like increment we discussed, no, same like that, pre-decrement, post-decrement. What happens? Same thing. First, pre-decrement means decrement the value of the variable, then it will be used in the expression. Okay. So here post-decrement means first expression should be evaluated, then it will be decremented. Okay. So example, what is the meaning of that? X equal to a plus b. If you are using means this is increment operator, post increment. So what is the meaning of that? If in case a equal to 1, b equal to 1 is there. So you are written this expression. How you can evaluate? X equal to a plus means a, after evaluating the expression only a value will be incremented. That is post increment. So what is the a value? 1 plus b value 1. So finally x equal to 2. After this statement, a equal to incremented by 1. So now a equal to 2. Clear? This is post increment. In case pre-increment, how we can write it? X equal to minus a plus b. If it is there means, what we have to do? First, the value will be minus, then it will be used in the expression. Okay, so now x equal to minus a 0 plus b equal to 1. So now x equal to 1, then we know that a also 0. Okay, this is, sorry, here increment operator is no decrement operator. So here decrement operator I shown the examples. Okay, so same you can use the variable. Okay, so now you know that same procedure, whatever we are checked for increment operator, same thing. Okay, the variable value will be decremented, not value of the, no, value will not be decremented. Okay, so we don't use expression for increment and decrement operators. Okay, what's the difference between increment operator and decrement operator? Increment operator add one value, decrement operator subtract 1 from the operand value. Okay. So here postfix increment operator, what it will do? Okay, it means the expression is evaluated first, then the original value of the variable, using the original value of the variable, then the value of the variable is incremented. Okay. So decremented same like that. Evaluated first with the original value. Okay. After that, the variable value is decremented. Prefix means what it is? Prefix increment. Prefix increment means first variable is incremented, then it will be evaluated the expression. Okay. So here also same thing. First decrement the value, then evaluate the expression. That is prefix decrement. So generally we use this decision making and looping concept. We will use this increment and decrement operators. Okay, so this is a simple example. So you just see here. I declared two variable x equal to 5 and y equal to 5. So x is displayed, then x is incremented to 6. So that what we are going to print, x plus I have to print. What will be happen? Percentage D, post increment. Post increment means first the expression will be evaluated, then it will be printed. Okay. So that means x equal to, what is output? So 5 post increment, it will be printed. Okay, this is the output. Why? After this x value is incremented by 1. So now x equal to 6. While printing it is 5. After that it is 6. So here second statement plus y. You see here. What is this? This is the pre-increment. Pre-increment means first increment the value, then it will be printed. Okay. So here y value is already 5. So y is 6. So answer is 6 pre-increment. It will be printed. Okay. So why? Because x value equal to 6. Okay. It is increment, then it will express the evaluation. See some examples again. So here I declared this value n equal to 5, j equal to 6. So how the answer for this question? What is the answer? M equal to n plus plus minus j plus 10. Okay, this is the arithmetic expression. Okay, so n value minus j plus 10. So what is the j value? N plus plus means post increment. So m equal to, now the same value, original value we will take 5 because post increment, minus j value is 6 plus 10. Okay, so 15 minus 6. So value is 9. M equal to 9 it will print. Okay, so here we will see A equal to 4. The B will be evaluated like post increment value. Here also post increment value. So what happened? So first it will take that A value and it will perform the operation. Then A value will be incremented. Okay. So what happened now? So the value will not be changed. B equal to 4 plus 4 because after the expression only the value will be changed. Okay. So how it will be changed? B equal to 8. So what is the A value now? That is also question. So here once it will be incremented, that is 5. After that it is incremented, then 6. So A equal to 6. So now A equal to 4. Then B equal to pre-increment value. What is the pre-increment? Increment the value, then it will perform the operation. Here increment the value. What is the value? 5. After this, here 6. Okay. So it is incremented, then it will check second operate, that is also pre-increment. It is incremented 6, then it will perform the operation 5 plus 6. So B equal to 11. Okay. Here we will see x equal to 4. This is small program. You just see x equal to 4. I given the value. Y equal to minus x. Okay. So sorry, minus minus x. Z equal to x minus minus. We just use this program. Okay. It's not single minus. There is minus minus. So what is the y value? Pre-decrement. So y equal to 3. So now z equal to x minus minus. So then it will print the x value, then it will decrement it by 1. So x value is 4, z value is 4 only. So what it will print? X value, y value, z value. So what is x value? 4 it will print. Y value 3 and then z value 4. So what is the answer? 3, 4, 3, 4. Okay, this is the answer for this program. I hope you understood how we can use the increment and decrement operators. So these are the things we are discussed in this video lecture. Increment operator, what is pre-increment operator? Pre-increment means increment the value, then it will evaluate the expression. Okay. Post increment operator means A plus plus. So here A is the variable. You can consider A is the variable. First use the original value of A, then it will be incremented. That is post incremented. Same like that decrement. Pre-decrement means decrement the value, then it will be used in the expression. But decrement, post decrement means first use the original value, then it will be decremented. Okay, so these are the concepts we are discussed in the video lecture. So now we have to revisit the lecture outcome. What is the outcome we see? Having completed the discussion on increment and decrement operator in C, now students should be able to develop the C program using increment and decrement operators. So here, this is lecture level problems. You try to write the program for this problems. C program. Develop the C program to demonstrate the increment and decrement operations, as well as here the second problem is declare A value equal to 8, B equal to 55, C equal to 9, and D also you have to declare. Finally, you have to find this values. Okay. So what is the answer for this? Minus minus B. Minus minus B means value will be minus. So 54 plus A plus plus. So initial value we have to use, then only increment value. A value is 8 minus plus plus C. So increment, then it will be used. So 10 plus minus minus A. What is the A value? A value will be after this line, it will be evaluated. So now A value will be decremented. Okay, so like decrement then A value, so 7. Okay, so finally you can find this answer like this you can use. So now we are in the end of this video. I hope you are enjoyed this video to how to use the increment and decrement operators in the C programming. Even if you want to more information, you just read the textbook with chapter 4 operators and expressions. As well as you can visit the weekly tutorial sheet how to use and write the program. Okay. Thank you very much for listening this video. We will see in the next video. Thank you very much.